Hi you guys, welcome to the Tumbling Coach. I'm Coach Javis, and today with me I have Lila, and she's going to be teaching you how to do step 1 of a back handspring, which is the sit and the jump.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Nice. Okay, so first you'll want to make sure you can jump nice and high. So when you swing and jump for a back handspring, I always tell kids to make sure arms before legs. So it's swing back with your arms, bend your legs, swing up with your arms, jump. So go ahead and just do a straight jump. Notice her arms are nice and tight by her ears. She's gonna push all the way through her toes. Do it one more time. Arms and push, nice. From there, we will do a jump back. So she'll take a step forward, and she's gonna jump up and backwards and land on her feet again. Just to get used to that backwards travel that you do in a back handspring. Do it one more time. And nice, good. Once you feel your jump is nice and strong, you're getting your arms by your ears, you can find a surface. I usually recommend a bed, something nice and high, right about waist level, a little bit lower, a little bit higher, that's okay. And you're gonna do a jump back. So it's the same swing, the same jump, except this time you're gonna reach backwards and land on your back on the surface. Just like that, that was awesome. Do it one more time. A little more jump. Yes, nice. Watch as Lila does this. She gives a nice push to her toes, her arms are by her ears, and she stays in a tight, stretched position. So her core is nice and tight, but her upper back is arching and reaching. Good. And she's really gonna focus on pushing through her toes and keeping her legs tight. Do it one more time. And squeeze, yes, really, really nice. And then at the end, her toes pull up as she lands on her bed. Thank you guys for joining us today, and a huge thank you to Lila for helping us out. To continue progressing your back handspring, check out step 2 and step 3 in this back handspring series. Bye.